Hi, in front of me is Realme 8 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can use one-handed mode on this device. First of all, go into settings. Now scroll down, tap on convenience tools and go into navigation. Over here tap on the switcher next to pull down to enter one-handed mode and follow the instructions. Pull down from the bottom of the screen to enter one-handed mode. When I do that, I can see that one-handed mode is on. If you want to change placement of it, click at this icon over here, and if you want to go back, click on this one. Now turn off one-handed mode completely by clicking on the switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!